Hi FIlmora creators, welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. Today, we will learn 3 advanced features of the Wondershare FIlmora Mobile app. The keyframe animation, green screen effects, and the masking tool. To download the FIlmora Mobile app, search the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Start a new project. First, we will learn keyframe animation. There are several uses of this feature. In today's example, we will try to imitate camera movements. So, in the first frame, we will add a keyframe by clicking the diamond icon. Move the playhead a little, add another keyframe here, and zoom in the video. Now, if you play back, as you can see, the video automatically zooms in. It looks like a camera operator is operating the camera. Let us add more keyframes. Here we will zoom into this person speaking. Move the playhead further, and move the frame to the right. This will imitate the pan movement of the camera. When the speaker is talking to the person on the left, we will pan to the left. So, with keyframe animation, we have added camera panning as well. There are so many other uses of keyframe animation, like you can animate an object moving, which we will further talk about at the end of today's tutorial. Next, let us learn green screen effect. This is a video I have added to the timeline video track. Using PIP, that is, picture-in-picture, we will add another video of a man playing guitar, with green screen background. In the toolbar at the bottom, find the option, Smart Cutout. Click Remove Background. As you can see, the background green screen is successfully removed. Even if you don't have green screen background, this Smart Cutout feature can remove background from portrait videos. You may even add beautiful strokes on the cutout, to make it look stunning. There are several other effects, like clone effects, glow effects, etc. This is how you can use green screen effects in FIlmora app to create amazing contents. Now, we will explore the masking tool. This is a video of a sunset. But with masking, we want to replace the sun with the moon. Using PIP, we have added a moon video. Resize it. Now select the moon video. Find the mask tool at the toolbar. There are many mask shapes available for you. For the moon, we will go with the circle mask. Now, adjust the circle shape to match the moon. You may feather the edges to make it more realistic. Lastly, let's do some keyframe animation. We will make the moon move. Add a keyframe at the first frame. Move the playhead, and move the moon up a little. We can make it slightly bigger as well. As you can see, it looks so cool. Today, we explored only 3 major advanced features of the FIlmora mobile app. There are several more. Check my channel for interesting tutorials like this. To download FIlmora into your phone, see the video description for the links. Thanks for watching Tube Media Tutorials. Happy creating!